Hello everyone, greetings. I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to my videos. I am Arishmita Chatterjee and today I'm going to talk about two simple mistakes that we make when we try to speak English like a pro. The first mistake is following an accent till the time you're not comfortable with it. I am an English teacher and I get to hear this a lot that they want to speak in an accent. You might want to do that because that's simply your dream, or maybe your work wants you to do that. But you always first need to be very comfortable in the accent before you go out and use that. Why am I telling this? What happens when you're not very habituated to speak in an accent and you start talking in that accent in front of people, you might lose your originality and you might fail to maintain the accent throughout your conversation. And trust me, it looks very, very odd. So till the time you're very comfortable with the accent, do not use it in front of people. Secondly, another mistake that people make a lot is when they blindly follow some speaker. As a communication teacher, we always ask you to listen to pro speakers because that helps you with sentence construction, with vocabulary, and in lot many ways. But if you're trying to follow that person and if you start losing your originality, again the same thing might happen. You might not maintain that throughout the conversation that you're starting with another person. So I would first like to suggest that when you're getting confident in a particular language, try to have your original flair over there. Try to follow that and respect that. Earn different things from people, learn them and use them only when you're completely comfortable with it. Use these tips and you can speak English like a pro in no time. I'll be coming with more such videos every Monday, Wednesdays and Fridays, and I hope you'll be waiting for that. Till then, keep on learning and stay happy. Thank you.